Imagine working alongside a colleague who never sleeps, never forgets, and processes data faster than any human ever could. No, I'm not talking about a superhuman lab partner. I'm talking about AI co scientists. For those who don't know, I used to work in biomedical engineering research. And let me tell you, I was surrounded by some of the most brilliant minds. The kind of people who could look at a strand of DNA and see a roadmap to the future. Now, did I personally participate in groundbreaking, Nobel Prize worthy experiments? Let's just say I was in the building while some world changing discoveries were happening. But I did contribute to an important study, one that could help save the lives of future drivers and pedestrians. That's a story for another day. But back then, everything we did relied on human intuition, modeling, trial and error, and let's be honest, a lot of coffee and snacks. Now, AI is stepping into the lab and it's changing everything. Today, we're diving into how AI driven diagnostics and research are revolutionizing healthcare and what that means for the future of medicine, discovery, and patient care. Quick disclaimer before we jump in. The views expressed on Tomorrow's Consciousness are those of the speakers and for informational purposes only. This is not professional medical or legal advice. Always consult a qualified expert for your own situation. Some opinions belong solely to our guests and might not reflect our own views. By listening, you acknowledge that we're not liable for any decisions you make based on this content. All right, now that we've got the fine print out of the way, let's talk about how AI is becoming the ultimate lab partner. So, what's the buzz? Well, Google recently introduced an AI tool described as a co scientist, not just another algorithm, but a system that can analyze massive biomedical datasets, identify knowledge gaps, and even generate new scientific hypotheses. To put it in perspective, researchers typically take months or years to sift through medical data and find patterns. Google's AI can do it in hours, pointing out connections that humans might never see. Collaborations with Stanford University and Imperial College London have already produced groundbreaking results. Think about that. We're talking about an AI that's independently hypothesized novel gene transfer mechanisms that's like having a lab partner who not only reads every medical journal ever published, but also comes up with groundbreaking ideas before you've had your morning coffee. A recent study found that AI assisted research reduced the time required for genetic sequence analysis by up to 80%. Imagine the impact of that in cancer research, rare disease treatment, or personalized medicine. AI co scientists are here, and they're changing the game. But the human element, our creativity, compassion, and curiosity remains irreplaceable. Would I love to work in a lab with an AI assistant? Absolutely, especially if it brings me coffee. What do you think? Is AI the key to faster cures? Or are there risks we're not seeing yet? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Reach out, send me your questions, and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe, share this episode, and tune in next week where we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing patient care beyond the lab. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.